This is Dave Espino, and today I'm answering the question, how can I earn $2,000 a month online? I love this question because it's very specific. The person wants to make a certain amount of money per month online. So here's what I recommend. I recommend that you create a how-to video course about something that you're really strong at or really good at. I call this your superpower. Your superpower could be something you're really good at, something you know a lot about, something you research a lot about, something that's a skill or a talent, or something that you just are passionate about. You take that information, that knowledge, and you put it into a video training of some kind, a how-to course. And when you create a how-to course, you have something of value, and it's something that can be duplicated over and over again and sold over and over and over again through a leveraged system. So once you have your video course created, you use something called a sales funnel to market your video course. And then you drive traffic to that sales funnel, and now you have an ongoing passive income of $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 or more a month by simply doing that. Did you know that there are 68,000 searches on Google happening every second? Every second, 68,000 searches are happening on Google every second. That amounts to 1.2 trillion searches a year on Google for information. So imagine how many of those people, those 1.2 trillion, which is a number we can't even fathom, right? How many of those people are looking for information about what you're good at? There's going to be plenty of people looking for information about your topic, your superpower, something that you're good at. And so that's what the internet is. And what you could tap in to those millions and billions and even trillions of people who are looking for information on your topic, something you're already good at, you've got the makings of what I call the world's most perfect business. The world's most perfect business is putting your talent, skill, and knowledge into an online video course that you can sell over and over and over again in a leveraged way so that you don't have to be there to either sell the course, you don't have to be there to teach the course because it's pre-recorded, and you don't have to be there to collect the payments. Basically, you are now receiving an ongoing passive income for life. It's an incredible business. I call it the world's most perfect business. I'd like to give you my free book. It's called The World's Most Perfect Business. It's available as a free download, and you can get it just below this YouTube video. If you're on YouTube, there's a link where you can get my free book. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified every time that we come out with a new video, because I'm coming out with a lot of new videos about this incredible business, the online course business, the world's most perfect business. I'll see you on the next video.